What's that say?
Oh, it's recording now.
All right, right here, where there's no houses. Man, you hear English?
Dude, that is...
Go, stop, and then we'll go from right here.
Oh, okay.
Twin turbos.
Maybe
speed.
just an intake and a turbo, not a 6-speed. I don't have the money for that.
Welcome back to the Family's Garage. The video you're about to watch is a repost, and the reason we reposted is because
normally our videos get anywhere from 2,000 to 12,000 views, but this one has only gotten about 400
views, and we think it's because it was released very early in our YouTube channel when we were doing a lot of Mopar stuff, and now a lot of our C10 tech videos do really well, so we thought we'd share the video with you again. It's actually got some really good content on getting your C10 to go faster for cheap.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy it. Let us know in the comments.
Have a great day.
And night. So I was going through the editing of this video and realized in the first video cut and in this second edited cut, I never told you guys about this truck. So it's got a 1976 30 over small block Chevy, Summit 1101 cam. It's got an Edelbrock Performer intake and a Holley 600 through inch and 5/8 headers. It's got a 700 R4 with a 2000 stall and a 342 gear. All right, so I see you bought your first speed parts.
Yeah.
So what'd you get?
I bought this because mine needed a new one. It was worn out, and it would just make my car run a lot better, get more air. But you can't just buy the air filter anymore. You have to buy the entire thing, which is dumb. They only sell square ones. And then bought new mufflers because I just wanted my truck to sound cooler and just run a little bit better.
These are Magnaflow? No, Flowmasters.
Flowmasters.
Cheaper brand. So same design, same company. They just are a little cheaper for a young rodder on a budget. So we're gonna do a little performance test this morning before we put the new speed parts on. We don't have a quarter mile or nothing, so we're just gonna do like driveway to driveway. Let's drive out to the firehouse and get the transmission and rear end warmed up.
Go. .1
seconds. All right, that's our baseline. Are you done?
Huh?
Are you done? So it's so simple, even a teenager can do it.
Okay. That'd be funny. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go.
Lord. Dang, 9.7. Just the air cleaner was worth a second and a half. So what you got here is a Dynox C10 true dual exhaust system. These are the mufflers they come with. 2 1/4 center in, offset out. The kit actually fit really well. Went right up out. Picked up the factory mount back here. Added the mount here. We've had no problems with it at all. Going right into the headers, fit really well. So we're gonna change out these mufflers and see if we can make this thing sound any cooler and go any faster. Huh? You got?
Got a subwoofer.
Just one?
I only need one.
Which one is it?
It's the Rockville USS10.
So 10-inch sub.
Yeah, pretty much.
That'll be pretty good in the truck. Are you putting that in today?
No, I'm gonna do the mufflers today since the truck's already up on the lift.
How many cars did you have to move to get the truck on the lift?
I only had to move 2.
You don't want no more power?
I mean, if I want more power, I'll put a Gen 3 LS in it.
Oh, you'll just slap a Gen 3
Oh
LS
yeah,
in.
I'm sure it'll go amazing. I don't have to change nothing. I won't mess with the rear end, none of the suspension. But, no. But if I do that, I would always I'll do the suspension first. Lower all the way to the ground, then later on put a bigger motor in it.
So suspension and brakes first.
Yeah, because I know if I put a Gen 3 in it and then go, it's gonna destroy something in the rear end.
So what do you got now? Right now you've got what? 2.5-inch drop spindles?
Mm-hmm.
And just KYBs, looks like.
It looks like you...
KYBs, stock springs. Too high. Pull it down. The pipe. You have to hold it there. I can't see it if you just walk away. So that's pretty level with the rear bumper. I think that'll work. Start it up.
Yeah.
See what it sounds like. What do you think?
Sounds a lot better.
Yeah. All right, let's pull it out and let it warm up. New mufflers. I think the air cleaner improvement was what, from like 11 something to like
12 to 9.
we'll have to go back through the video when we edit it and find out, but we had a huge improvement with just the air cleaner. Let's see what we get with mufflers. It already sounds better. Sounds quieter.
It's a lot quieter.
You weren't even flooring it, were you? Showing the world you're speeding. Now you're going so fast. You're going 65 and a 55.
This is average speed. You go 60 to 55 and 80 and 60.
Yeah. Come to a stop and then say go and I'll hit the start.
Alright.
Complete stop.
Alright.
Wait, okay. Ready?
Ready? Oh, you do it.
And go. we're done with the test drive, done playing with it. What is your thoughts on the mods you purchased?
It's fine. I'm happy with the results that came out. It sounds amazing.
I'm impressed with how quiet it is now cruising. Before you could barely talk at 60, and now it's nice and quiet. So we'll probably have to do a little bit of adjustments.
Yeah, fine tuning it because it needs it now. It's got a better exhaust system.
Okay. So you can see those are real world numbers. It's a little bit warmer today than it was on the initial test, but you can see we picked up 2 or 3 seconds 0 to 60 just with air filter and mufflers. And we got a much better sounding truck. It's quieter, and we'll keep modding it from there. You still planning on what? Slamming it in the weeds, Gen 3 LS,
Have the rear end tires, everything.
twin turbos.
Maybe
60.
just an intake and a turbo, not a 6-speed. I don't have the money for that.
Oh, but you got money for a Gen 3 LS?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed this episode. Hope you enjoyed the C10. We don't get to work on it much because he works his life away like a good teenager should. But stay tuned. We'll work on something even faster next time.
Yeah.